Hello everyone, welcome back to Quick Helper. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube videos not playing. First, you have to restart your device. After that, check on your network connection. Ensure your Wi-Fi or data connection is stable. Try to turn on and off the airplane mode if it works. Next, optimize video quality. High quality videos may not play due to slow internet. Click the gear icon on the YouTube video player to lower the video quality. After that, clear cache and cookies. Accumulated cache and cookies can interfere with playback. In your browser, go to the three dots menu, select More Tools, then Clear Browsing Data. Set the time range to all time. Check all boxes and click Clear Data. Then update your browser. Ensure you are using the latest version of your browser. Check the About section of your browser for updates and install any available updates. And that's it. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.